welcome to Vanner Glass's video tutorial on how to make a pattern for your glass in the field or on the job site. Before we get started, I'd like to tell you some advantages of our system. We're going to minimize your downtime so you don't have to have your machine leave the job or the field to go get this installed. We're going to show you how to make the pattern so you can send it to us. We'll make it, ship it to you, usually within 24 hours. Your machine can stay in the field, in service, and keep going until you get a brand new piece and can swap it out instantly. Once your new glass comes, it's going to have a part number in the corner, so you never have to make that part again. We're going to be able to ship it to you as soon as you call and let us know that you need that number again. We'll get it to you right away. You should probably give us a call first to see if we had your pattern in stock, as we get patterns all the time and you might not have to make a pattern at all. We're going to include all the necessary tools that you need to install your glass in the field or on the job site right away. In our video tutorials today, we're going to show you many different scenarios on how to make patterns. We're going to start off with making a pattern with the glass out and intact. Let's go over the pattern kit that you're going to get. In your pattern kit, if you request one from us, you're going to get plastic, black marker, information sheet, and detailed instructions on your specific type of set. In other sets, you're going to get different things in your pattern kits. Almost all of this stuff is available to you at your hardware store and most of the time in your home. First, you're going to unfold your plastic. And place it under your glass. Make sure to try and get all the wrinkles out as possible. Next, draw a line around the entire perimeter of your glass. Take your time and get this line accurate. This is going to ensure that you get a great piece of glass to install that fits good the first time. When you're done, we need some more information. We need to know that this was the top, and inside or outside of the glass. After that, you can fold your pattern up and have it ready to ship back. Next, you need to fill out your information sheet provided or print it offline from our website. It's going to have the year, make, model, company name, and company unit numbers if you need it, and your personal information so we can get a hold of you to be able to get you a price and shipment. The next set we have today is going to be a rubber set. This is really common in farm machinery and job site equipment. In this pattern kit, you're going to get everything the same, except for you're going to get a plastic putty knife and double stick tape. Apply your double stick tape as shown. And then apply your plastic. You're best to start off on one side, bringing everything back to you. To get a smooth, wrinkle-free surface. Take your time and draw the inside of the rubber on the plastic. Taking extra time to get your radiuses just right. As we did before, you need to write top, outside, and start filling out your information sheet. There's an added step to this. With your plastic putty knife, we need the depth of the rubber so we can figure out what to add to your glass to make it fit right. You'll insert your plastic putty knife until you feel it bottom out against the center rib. You then make your mark on your putty knife, remove, measure the depth, which normally on every rubber set is 5/16. That's the most common number you're going to get. On your information sheet, you need to write in your notes box, rubber depth, 5/16. Fold your pattern up, send it in. Next pattern you're going to do is a rubber set with no glass at all. You need to remove your rubber, place your double-spaced tape along the outside edge, apply your plastic, and you'll be drawing this inside perimeter edge. As we did before, top, outside, fill out your information sheet. This added step is going to be measuring the center rib of your locking rubber. This center rib measurement is about 1/4 inch. You need to apply that in your notes box, noting that your center rib width is 1/4 inch. This is a urethane set. You're going to draw this off just as you did with a glass out and intact pattern. With your double-faced tape, apply your plastic, as wrinkle-free as possible. You're going to take your black marker, and you're going to draw the edge. You may have noticed before we put this plastic on that there's a black line called a frit line. This line covers up the urethane when you're setting your glass. You need to dash off the inside of this line so we can replace it exactly where it was. Creating your pattern. As usual, top, outside, fill out your information kit, send it in. The next set, we have a urethane with the glass broken or missing. On this one, you're going to apply your tape, draw off your frit line. When you get your plastic on, fill out your information sheet, send it into Vanderbilt Glass. We'll get you a quote, and almost all of our parts ship within 24 hours.